Guys, welcome to couponing. This is Splint Rose. Thank you for joining me today. Wow, this is my haul from CVS. I haven't been couponing and it just seems like so long. I just went out to CVS. I was headed to Walgreens, but then CVS is closer to my house. I went out about 9 o'clock tonight, and I just decided, let me just go on to CVS since it was closer. I mean, when you don't go couponing, you really do miss it. And I'm just showing you some of the things that I bought. And I only had $5 in extra care bucks. So my order was really high. Actually, when all of this stuff was added up, it was over $230. It was really high. I had a lot of stuff, and I mean, like this here Nexus shampoo. You know this stuff is expensive. That shampoo was $20.99, but you got $10 back, so I didn't mind buying it for the $10. I did not have any no coupons for it, but I did get a coupon out of the red box, so that saved me. I think it was a coupon where it took off $5. Okay, so you figure, like, I got $10 back in extra rewards, and this was $20. So 20 minus 10 is 10. Plus, I had a $5 coupon. So that thing